Hey there, fitness enthusiasts!
Are you looking for a quick and effective way to get your heart pumping and burn those calories?
Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 amazing home workouts that will give you a full body burn in just 10 minutes. Get ready to sweat and have some fun while you're at it. 1.
Warm-up routine, 1 minute.
Start off with some light jogging or marching in place to get your blood flowing. Follow it up with arm swings, shoulder rolls, and gentle stretches to loosen up those muscles. Remember, warming up is essential to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout ahead.
2. Jumping jack extravaganza, 1 minute.
Jumping jacks are a classic exercise that targets your entire body. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump, spreading your feet apart and raising your arms overhead. Land softly as you bring your feet back together and lower your arms. Repeat this high-energy exercise for a minute to get your heart rate up. Squat power, 1 minute. Squats are fantastic for your lower body and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, and lower your body by bending your knees while keeping your back straight. Push through your heels as you return to the starting position. Repeat for 1 minute, focusing on maintaining proper form and engaging your glutes and quads. 4. Push-up party, 1 minute. Push-ups are an excellent compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your core engaged. Push back up to the starting position. Modify by dropping to your knees if needed, but challenge yourself to do as many full push-ups as you can in 1 minute. 5. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Get ready to engage your core and boost your cardiovascular endurance. Start in a plank position and bring one knee toward your chest, alternating quickly between legs as if you're climbing a mountain. Keep your back straight and core tight throughout. Pick up the pace and challenge yourself to keep going for the entire minute. 6. Lunge Rama, 1 minute. Lunges are fantastic for toning your legs and glutes. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, step forward with one leg, and lower your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up, and repeat with the other leg. Alternate between legs for 1 minute, making sure to maintain good form and keeping your knees aligned with your toes. 7. Plank challenge, 1 minute. Time to strengthen that core and work on your stability. Get into a plank position, resting on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your abs and glutes. Hold the plank for 1 minute, and if it becomes too challenging, drop to your knees while maintaining a straight back. 8. High knees hustle, 1 minute. Let's get your heart pumping with this high-intensity exercise. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and rapidly alternate bringing your knees up towards your chest while jogging in place. Pump your arms and keep up the pace for 1 minute, pushing yourself to go faster as you build stamina. 9. Bicycle crunches, 1 minute. Time to sculpt those abs. Lie on your back, bring your knees up, and place your hands behind your head. Crunch up, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg out. Twist your torso and bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Repeat on the other side, mimicking a pedaling motion. Keep alternating sides for 1 minute, focusing on engaging your core with each crunch. 10. Cool down and stretch, 1 minute. After an intense workout, it's important to cool down and stretch to prevent muscle soreness. Slowly walk around or march in place to bring your heart rate down. Finish with gentle stretches for your major muscle groups, including your hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, and shoulders. Take deep breaths and relax, allowing your body to recover. And there you have it, 10 fantastic home workouts that can give you a full body burn in just 10 minutes. Whether you're short on time or looking to add some variety to your fitness routine, these exercises are perfect for you. Remember to stay consistent and listen to your body. Start slow if you're a beginner and gradually increase intensity as you progress.